Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what have we got here? We've got it's a brand called Cleveland Kraut. And this is the beet red made out of red cabbage, beets, carrots. It is sauerkraut. Hey, Mike Foster here. It's an episode of Mike Tries Mike's Product Test. I'm telling you, you got to try different things. Now this guy, there it is right there. Probiotics. These are natural probiotics. And first of all, I love sauerkraut, and I'm telling you, it's so healthy for you. Sauerkraut, take a look at that. One of the healthiest things, but beets are also healthy. The only thing about beets you got to be careful with is that they do stain things because they're very stainy. Beets, carrots, and kraut and cabbage, you also have 110 calories per serving. Now, with any kind of probiotics, they use a lot of salt, so you're going to get 290 milligrams of sodium. That'll be a little high, but the carbs are low, 2 grams, fibers 1 gram. You're going to get some calcium and potassium. And again, it's a natural probiotic, which are good for keeping the bad bacteria out of your stomach and cultivating the good bacteria. I have videos on why you should eat sauerkraut, also why you should eat beets, also carrots, also cabbage. Let's take a look at it. All right. This is a really nice packaging, so I think I can just dip in like this. Get a good one. There you go. All right. So I'm going to try it. I think I'll like it. I spilled some. Not too tangy. Nice and crunchy. You know you're going to get some good health benefits. I don't taste the sodium that badly. Very beet. I like it. Plus I know that it's a natural probiotic and it's going to be good for me. And when it's good and you can enjoy it, that's a good thing. Check out Cleveland Kraut. Check out all my Mike Tries, my product tests, my Mike Eats the Street. Check out anything at Live Life 365 on YouTube. Subscribe. Tell people about it. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Wow. Good stuff. You can see that's not sweet baba when you spell like that. It's a baba if I ever saw one. But I'm trying to be serious on this video, so I'll just have another little small one. And try to, baba.